Want to connect your device but your iPhone doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack? Worry no more, an alternative U-Green Lightning to headphone jack adapter can easily connect existing 3.5mm headset to iPhone for audio and mic without Lightning connector headphone. It is MFI certified, braided cable jacket, and a price that is competitive with Apple's own headphone jack adapter. Now you can still enjoy your classic headphones and mic with this Lightning to headphone jack adapter from U-Green. Got another Lightning to headphone jack adapter? Share your thoughts by leaving us a comment.